What's going on, guys? So just sending in a shipment of arbitrage here, and you can see I got everything out of the box here, and that's pretty much all I've done so far. So if we look right here, I've just simply taken all the stuff that I ordered from deal sites and I got it all laid out, and I kind of organize it into stuff that has multiples. So you see we have 3 of those gray boxes, 2 of those little ab things, 2 of those brown boxes, a couple of the knife boards, and then that's all kind of miscellaneous stuff. Now we're going to jump into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how to make the listings and then how to print your labels, put them on this stuff, get it into one big box and send it all out. Alright guys, here we are. So we're in the computer now, and all I've done here is I've pulled up my sales tracker because it's kind of fun to show you like exactly like those are the products on the floor, but how much money is that? Like you can't really tell, it's just products sitting there. So what we did is I ordered $156 worth of products. Everything I just showed you and zoomed across in the beginning. Yeah, that took $150 to buy all that stuff, and we're gonna sell that and we're gonna get paid $327.60. So our profit will be $170. So literally all those products, just $171 out of thin air essentially. So we're spending $156, getting paid $327. Definitely worth it. If I handed you $156 and said I'll give you $156 for $327, that would work out in my favor. So that's essentially all you're doing here. And I think this is just kind of fun to show you this before we get going. That's everything we just went across, how many units I bought. Then right down here you could see exactly how much money we're making from this. To give you guys an idea of how long it took me to find all these products, literally 1 hour. I think it was like 50 something minutes. I did this before I went out to do something one day. I was just sitting on my computer, found all of these on Vipon.com. They're all ordered straight from Amazon and then sold right back on Amazon. So let's get into how exactly to do that. So everything comes to your house. You have all these boxes, this is your first shipment. You're like, okay, how do I get these to Amazon? How do I put the barcodes on? Like, how do I even make the listing for all these things? So what you're gonna do is go to Amazon.com, and we'll just do this again really quick. And you go to your orders right here, and all we're gonna do is open up the listings for everything we've ordered. So you go back to everything that you're gonna be sending in. So for us, that's gonna be right here. This is the first thing. What you're gonna do is open link in new tab, open link in new tab, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna do that for everything. So you go to the bottom, open link in new tab, open link in new tab. And I'll explain this in a second. You guys are probably like, why is he opening all those links? That looks scary. No, so just open everything that you've ordered. And this is if you haven't made the listings yet, by the way. So this is us making the listings, everything from scratch. Products get to your house, make the listings, make the barcode, send it in. So yeah, we're just gonna open everything we've ordered. Nope, right there. Okay, and then that was it. So now you have all these listings. Essentially every one of these pages is just a different product that you've ordered, and we have them all sitting on the ground right behind me as you just saw. So now all you're gonna do is you're going to go to your Seller Central, and you're going to catalog add products. Once you click on that, it's gonna bring you right here. I'll do it again just to show you. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, the reason you have all these open is one at a time, you click on it, except for that one. So just everything we've just opened, click on it, that's the first thing. Grab the ASIN right out of the URL. It always starts with a capital B and it'll be between 2 slashes. So that's how you know where to end it. You can also find it down here if you have no idea what to do in the URL. Right here, ASIN, A-S-I-N, bam, grab that, copy it. And we're gonna go enter it in right here, search, and all you're gonna do is hit sell yours in new condition. And what we're gonna do is obviously the condition's new. We just clicked on that. Match low price. So if you guys don't know how the pricing works, you don't necessarily need to lower your price to sell your product. So if you have Prime, so if you're sending stuff into Amazon, obviously you're a Prime seller, you're fulfilled by Amazon. If you match the low price, if there's 2 listings on Amazon that are both Prime and they're both selling at the same price, every sale is gonna switch between who's a different seller. So say your company and the original person's company are both selling this product with Prime, they're gonna get the first sale. And if you have the exact same price, then now you're gonna have the buy box and you'll get the next sale and they'll get the next sale, and it goes on back and forth like that. If you only have one product, just match the price. And if it takes a couple extra days to sell, that's fine. That way you're not driving down your profits. Because if you go down to $26, they undercut you to 25, you go 24.50 or something, and you only had $10 in profit to start, you just took $5 profit off your whole sale. So it's not worth it. I usually just match the price, and if worst comes to worst, it goes by a week, it doesn't sell, drop it 50 cents to win the buy box or something. Now you're just going to enter your quantity in. I actually have 3 of these. It'll be different for whatever product it is, obviously, if you ordered a different quantity. And then you're going to go, I want to ship this item myself. I know that's contradictory to what we're doing here because we're sending everything to Amazon. Trust me, just put it as I want to ship it myself for now, and we'll convert them after. You're going to do save and finish. Now, just for the sake of the video, I've already done this, and what you're going to do is save and finish. Great. It's going to add the listing. You're going to delete that page and delete the page that we just opened, this one, so that you don't get all scrambled up and you have too many tabs open. As soon as you add it, just get rid of it and move on to the next one. So we'll grab this, copy, we would go back, bang, add this product. And what you're going to do is you're going to do that for all of these. So all of the pages, add all of the products, new condition, ship it yourself. Now, get rid of these guys. Say we've done all of them. We're down to our last product right here. You're going to grab this, ASIN, do it one more time just so it's ingrained in your guys' head. Go list a new product, list it, sell yours, and we could do it one more time. Why not? Condition is always going to be new. Match the low price. We've got one. Ship it yourself, save and finish. And then what you're going to end up seeing is you have all of this right here. So everything that you've just created, this is all one thing. And then what we're going to do is you're going to select, so now we're in our seller account, by the way. Amazon Seller Central, inventory, manage inventory. I just have it on merchant fulfilled. These are all the things that we just added and we're selling it ourselves, so that's why it says merchant fulfilled. Next step, click on all of these boxes. Okay, beautiful. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change them to fulfilled by Amazon. It's the first option, well, I guess second option, change to fulfilled by Amazon. Yes, continue. Just make sure really quick before you do this, make sure you have all of your items in here. So I'll double check really quick. I have 3 phone cases, there they all are. 1 mic, okay, 3 of those, that thing, 3 of these things, okay, that, 2 of those, and 2 of those. Perfect. So we're going to hit yes, continue. Continue. So what we're going to do, you can just change these all to Amazon barcode, because we're going to be putting an Amazon barcode on all of them. What we're going to do is convert only. Don't do convert and send inventory, just convert so that they're all FBA listings. What we're going to do is you have to add dangerous good information. This is probably like the most tedious part of this. So does this contain batteries? No, it does not. Is it considered to be hazardous? No, it's definitely not. We're going to submit that. Beautiful. And you're just going to go through and do this for all of them. Yes, it does, and this is a good example of one that does contain batteries. Product requires batteries which are packed with the product. Product requires batteries which are contained in the product. So that's what we're going to do. They're contained in the product. And I believe this, okay, charging. So yeah, it does contain it, and they're in the product. Most batteries are going to be lithium. You could look specifically, if you opened up this listing, you would see, I already know that it is lithium. Battery size, it's a lithium ion. Number of batteries is 1. Battery weight. So this part, if you don't know it specifically, get as close as you can, and that's really all that you could do. You could also do an example of what it says to do. Like you could open up the listing and look in the description, and often it'll have this information. Is this product considered dangerous goods? No, it is not. So now we're going to submit. And then you're going to do that for all of them. I'm going to fast forward because you do not need to see me do that, and it'll be a big waste of time. Okay, we are back. We have completed everything. We're going to go save and continue. And now I will come back as soon as these are actually fulfilled by Amazon, because right now they are still being fulfilled by me. All right, we are back. Now we have all of our listings. So we're going to select all of them. Okay, great. Now action, send replenish inventory. Yes, continue. Okay, individual products, not case packed products. Case packed would be for like private label. Now we'll just hit 1 there so that we autofill. Then we're gonna do well, we have 1 of those, okay, and then you just gotta fill this out individually. We have 2 of those, however many you ordered. 2 of those, 1 of those, 3 of these, 1 of those, 3 of these. Okay. And then that should be good. So 18 units, that's what we want. Not 17. Continue. And now if you've never made a shipment before, you're gonna have to fill in your address here. I mean, mine's gonna be blurred out, but just fill in your address. It's gonna be your home address. And who preps? This is gonna be merchant. We're prepping right now. This is what prepping is, putting a label on it, getting it ready for shipping. It's all already in packaging, so it's all good. Choose category. No prep needed. And what we could actually do is apply to all, and we're going to do no prep needed. So nothing here is going to need prep. It's going to be able to go straight out to a customer. Okay, so prep cost is going to be 0, obviously, because we're not having them prep. What we're going to do is apply to all. We're going to have an, oh, not who labels. Who labels is merchant, so we're going to be printing labels. If you don't have the ability to print, and you can just have an Amazon label, it's going to be like 20 cents per unit, I believe. So and that'll autofill based on how many units you have. Merchant's going to label all of these, and we are going to print labels for this page. So what it's going to do is it's going to give you this little products. Bang. What you could do is we'll open that up. I just need to turn on my printer, and I'll get these printed, and then you guys could print yours. And then the next thing we're going to do is hit continue. Alright, so here we are. Got our labels. Next thing we have to do is just obviously make sure you put it on the right product, or else someone is going to get a collagen mask instead of a battery case. So we're going to grab just grab the labels off here and put them on the correlating packages. So that is this one. And if it already has a label on it or a barcode, you just want to cover that up. So like for instance, that does have, there you go, right there. That does have the barcode, so we're going to want to cover that up. We got everything in there, and I kind of organized it so it's all flat. Quick tip for you guys, if you only have a big box, you can cut down your shipping costs if you get the dimensions lower because they go by space. So all you have to do, cut these slits down on each side of your box in the corners. And what that allows you to do is, check this out. So we're gonna go down like that. Like, this isn't gonna work, but it does, trust me. I'm gonna go this down. Look at that. Look how small we just made that box. And then, I mean, all you have to do is just tape along that crease right there. Yeah, that's it. So we're down to 4 inches, 24 by 16 by 4 is this box, and it's 10.4 pounds. So we're gonna enter that into the computer, and then we're gonna pop our label on it, and then it's ready to get shipped out. All right, guys, so here we are. We're back in the computer. Our box weight ended up being 10.4 pounds. Dimensions were 24 by 16 by 4, because we cut down all that height, which is awesome. And we hit confirm, calculate the cost, and look at that. It's going to be $4.90 to ship all of those different units in. So if we go back to that sheet and you saw how much I ordered, take $4 off. That's it. That's amazing. Billable weight 12. Okay, perfect. And that's just going to charge straight to your seller account. You don't have to put anything in except the charges. Print box labels. And now what that's going to do is we're just going to give you that. You can hear the printer going off in the background. Well, that's printing. We're just going to hit complete shipment. And then we are going to go to mark as shipped, work on another shipment. That's it. We're done. So now I'll put that label on the box and then we're going to ship it out.